This is a powered Murphy Plus bed that does include foldable clothing storage underneath. It includes a second location to move that pedestal table, but again, we have that dinette that can be used for a dining area. Here you'll also find the switch just up to the right. Now the beauty of this powered Murphy Plus bed is that you can leave all of your bedding on that as it actually glides back up for storage. But each of those legs very simply glide up. This is an all-new styling that just came out on the 24D. It includes those headrests. It very simply glides down on a proven 12-volt motor to provide a true 60 by 75-inch walk-around queen bed. The beauty of this bed is that it also provides a European slat suspension with a gel topper queen mattress. And again, you can leave all of your bedding on this as you store that back up. It does include 110 volt and USB outlets on each side. That European slat suspension provides a nice cool mattress. It allows for fresh air ventilation and provides individual firmness for that comfortable gel topper queen mattress. Again, each of the nightstands do include the USB charge points as well as 110 volt charge points. But again, a fuel efficient Mercedes-Benz power plant in a nimble 24D floor plan. This very simply then will glide back up with the touch of that 12 volt motor. And again, you can leave all of that bedding on, including the pillows. A full bank of overhead Aosta cherry cabinetry is included, along with directional LED reading lamps that also include a nightlight mode. And again, the only manual part to this bed are the legs that very simply collapse with the touch of this button that you can see right here. Very simple to use. And again, guests on the road have provided raving reviews of how comfortable this mattress is. But it also features now a sofa, unlike Tiffin Wayfarer and other models that are available with powered Murphy Plus beds. So you have a complete sofa and a complete dinette. Underneath this sofa then we also include foldable clothing storage.